There is nothing better than to go outside on a beautiful spring sunny day and totally enjoy it. I am going to take you to the corner of my garden where I'm working on a project, and it is a brick project. I'm installing a brick border between my flower bed and the grass. This way my plants are all safe and secure from, hopefully, mower and weed whacker and all other equipment in the garden. Here are my marigolds, which I planted from seeds, and they're getting adjusted to outside today in this semi-shade. So I have to step over them. It's all right. Now, my bricks. They are recycled bricks. I found them in the town's recyclable center, and it's the best way to do projects in the garden, I think, because you take something for free, you recycle it, and give a new life. Before moving bricks out, I made sure that I put some sand around bricks. This way I know exactly where to dig the trench. Also, I am digging the trench a little bit deeper than the height of the bricks because I want to install sand at the foundation, maybe 1-2 inches of sand. This way I'm hoping that bricks are not going to move so much in the dirt and I don't need to readjust them on a regular basis. I want to make sure that the soil in the trench is well compacted and that the shape of the trench is in the rectangular form. This way it would be easier to put bricks in. Here I'm putting sand in. Again, I'm planning to do 1 inch or 2, maybe 2 inches, and I'm going to compact it well, spread it evenly, and then use my feet to press it down before I put bricks in. My kids are coming back from school soon, so I'm going to put this project on hold for several hours, and I will be back in the afternoon to finish this garden project. Here I am again. Afternoon sun is nice and warm. It's breezy outside. I'm going to install more sand into the trench, spread it nice, make sure that it's very leveled. I don't want to spend a lot of time readjusting bricks later. I'm going to put bricks in a nice, neat row. Oh, here's my baby boy. And then I'm going to put the dirt, soil among the bricks to stabilize them. And eventually it will need more dusting of soil to get through. And it will look very good. Bricks would be there as if they belong there for a long time. Especially with time, they will get darker and they will look very good there. In my next video, we will pay a visit to my sunroom where all the seedlings are happily growing, and I will show you around how it is going there. So enjoy your gardening, and I will see you next time.